Hello guys, my name is Charles Stanley from TS Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to convert any YouTube video into a GIF. Actually, not the full video, a particular video length. You guys know how a YouTube video looks like, and you guys know how a GIF also look like. So a GIF is not a full video. I'm just going to explain a little. A GIF is not a full video. A GIF is just a particular frame rate that repeats like a flash stuff, so it repeats regularly and then stuff. So in order to do this, just go ahead and open any video on YouTube like this. Let me go ahead and open my favorite videos. So I'm going to scroll to my recommended videos and then click on a particular part and then convert it to a GIF so that anyone online, offline, and then in order to do this, just open any video you want to convert. I'm just going to scroll. I'm looking for G1 YouTube. G1 YouTube. Okay, there it goes. Okay, here's a video club made by G1 YouTube, Clavoland, Shaku Dance. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that particular video and then convert a particular area to a GIF file. So in order to do this, once the video has started and while it's playing, just go ahead and click just before the YouTube and then delete everything and then type GIF, and then go ahead and click on enter. So after clicking on enter, just wait for it to load, and then the website is going to load and then show you whatever you want to add. Okay, this video is loading up for us, and then it's going to show you starting from the beginning, and we don't want the beginning, we actually want a particular section of the video. So let's go ahead and play while we see what we want to convert. I don't want this area. Let me scroll a little. I don't want this area either. Okay, how about this? Not a bad move by Clavoland, but I'm not interested in it. How about this one? Okay, this isn't bad. Alright, I love this one. So after you selected the particular area you want to use as your GIF, just go ahead and add whatever you want to add. Right now I want to add a caption. Okay, because this is not my video, I have to give credit to it. That's the reason why I'm adding the caption G1. So G1 created a video, and then I think the dancer is actually Clavoland. So this is the caption which I want to give to it. You can go ahead and select a different font if you don't feel like using that particular one, and then you can give it a color which you want. Since they are making use of red, we are still going to maintain the same color red. And then you can see that I've added an outline. It actually added an outline for me automatically, but that outline isn't that necessary, and this font is not looking too good. So let me go ahead and use Monsteras and then go ahead and save that particular stuff, but I don't want to save it yet. I want to add a sticker before I save it. So the sticker is going to say OMG. This is G1 Clavoland's video, and sorry, the sticker is not adding up for some reason. Don't know why. Okay, let me go ahead and go back to where I was, and then since the video feels bad for some reason, I'm just going to sorry, this was a mistake. You can go ahead and delete it, and then once you are done adding whatever you want to add, I don't know the reason why the sticker did not add, but for some reason I think oh, sorry, I did not close it very well. Alright, this is the sticker which we want to add, and once you're done, just go ahead and save your work and then download it. So you're done. Slow down, and then if you're done with everything, just go ahead and save. Okay, this is how it's played. OMG, everything works fine. So once you're done with sorry, thought I saved this. Okay, once you're done with everything, just go ahead and click on create GIF, and then it's going to prompt you a particular settings to add. So you can go ahead and add a tag if you want to, and then if you don't want to, just go ahead and say okay, let's say Clabolang. Then once you're done adding tag, you can make it public and go ahead and click on next. So the only tag that was added there is Clabolang. So if you want to access all the features of GIF, go ahead and get. So I don't need that. Let me say no thanks. So I don't really need that. Let's wait for it to load, and then after loading, we can see that we have successfully created a GIF for us, and then you can see G1's video making sense, and then Clabolang making his move there repeatedly, and then you can go ahead and copy this GIF and post on your Facebook or wherever you want it to be. And you can also go ahead and download this application. Sorry, you can go ahead and download this GIF as a small GIF and save the original file on your phone, and then that's all for you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have for some reason you need something, make sure you also leave your comment below. And also I did mention to you guys that this also has a sound, but because the video is not playing loud, so it's not going to be that loud enough. So thanks again for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Trust Stanley from TS Tech Talk.